Tonight on Cutting Edge, false prophets and controversial religious practice.
So umsebenzi ozaphana kwakuquleka kwathiwa asifeint la umfundisi mayesithandazela sibeke izandla sidlikile mase sidlikize mase siyawo kube athi abongole khumkhule kunamandla so khona ngakhona like la ngayiqinisa khona ingawa kabuhlungu ngiyezwa ngawa kabuhlungu ngena nesikhayi esla angazi ngizosibonana so ngawa lapho kasisiquleka.
We then sat down with the man who later revealed to us that he was the organizer of this alleged act.
Let me show you something. Look at this photo. This is me, Imposter Jacobs. He recruited me back in Lagos, Nigeria, and then recruited us to come back in South Africa to come recruit beautiful young girls. These young girls will go to the stage and act. Yes, I told them, don't worry about it. The poster will do everything. You just act. If you have to fall down, you must fall down.
A woman then revealed to us why she quit.
Ngithi mina ayibuka kanjani manje uthi phela ngibona la ivideo ebandleni leli postiwe la nidla utshani wangihleka wathi nengqoqade bothi usini yavele ekhanda kanjani utshani la nje ngabona khona ukuthi angisafuni lento ezongihlanganisa njengoba manje uyangihleka usiyangbiza ngembuzi mina